Talking about the Bloatzilla of software, MSI Center isn't backing down in its competition against Armory Crate. But here is a silver lining for anyone dreams about a cleaner RGB control experience from MSI. Here comes Portal X, a web-based interface to communicate with selected MSI RGB devices. What's new about Portal X though? Here is a quick overview of Portal X. To begin with, the lightning-fast initializing time is a solid milestone for MSI software. Absolutely no MSI Central server is abnormal or annoying SDK initialization messages ruin your day. The tool removes unnecessary animations or images to focusing purely on RGB management. It inherits most of the functionality from MSI Lite, but with neater, cleaner user interface. One big improvement is unlike MSI Center, where you had to wait for monthly updates to fix bugs. Portal X allows them to be addressed instantly. That being said, you will need the latest MSI hardware to use Portal X. The support devices start from Intel and AMD 800 series motherboard, NVIDIA 5000 series graphics card, and ENE-based RGB memory. First, I would personally recommend not to install MSI Center and Portal X at the same time. It's never a wise idea to have two people working on the same task. If you plan to use any feature from MSI Center, you might as well just stick to it. So how do we install Portal X to the computer? You should begin with going to the landing page of Portal X, which will direct you to the MSI Portal X launcher in Microsoft Store. Once the installation completes, open Portal X launcher via Windows Search and click Launch. Your default browser will open with control interface and you are ready to go. If you ever decide to part ways with Portal X, to fully remove it, you need to delete MSI Portal X Launcher and MSI Web Server in Windows Install app. While Portal X might not be the ultimate solution for all MSI users, it's definitely a nice kick-off for RGB enthusiasts.